We're losing light. We gotta do it.
Okay.
The walker is coming out.
Oh, good.
Your feet.
Hi.
Have a great night.
Michelle, gotta get up here. Michelle.
Shut up. No way. Oh my god.
I love you more than anything in the entire world. Ever since I met you, my life's been nothing but a dream. You're so smart, so fun, and so beautiful, and I can't imagine a day the rest of my life without you. So all that being said, Kaylee, Julianne, Daheen, will you marry me?
Yes. Oh my god. Yes. Yay. Oh.
Oh, so much.
Me too. Oh my god. What do you think? No way! Oh my god, it's beautiful. Oh my god. Oh, me too.
Go hug your daughter. Get it on video.
Sorry about that, sorry.
Thank you very much.
What do you think? Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, it is so pretty. It's so pretty. Hi, Daddy. That was so amazing.
Oh, this has been the hardest secret ever to keep from you. We love you.
Thank you. I look like crap and I didn't shower this morning.
You saw that coming.
That's why Becky said, I don't think she knows because she didn't like dress up or anything. I did.
It's just us though, so you're beautiful all the time.
You'll get more.
Don't worry,
I was gonna get a bottle.
Isn't it amazing?
It is so pretty.
Isn't it? He did a
did well.
good job. He did a good job. I know.
I've done a lot of lying this past night.
Yeah, you
Now
have.
you have to look at it again so I can look at it
Well,
again.
you're going straight the hell with all of us.
Cheers.
Guys, bring it in.
Cheers!
We'll bring it to this video.
Illinois, cheers.
This is perfect.
Good job, guys.
Hardest was for me?
Yeah.
Probably not that hard. I went to work. I said, as long as Michelle doesn't mess up, I'm good.
Does it fit?
When I went to ask your dad,
The right size?
It's perfect. You have to save the cork from this.
You can have it.
Yeah.
first one in your little cork thing.
Oh my god, this is so... I love it.
All right, the rest of you guys, come on out.
No, won't go sideways, believe it or not.
Well,
Okay.
He hasn't done it a few times already.
oh, it won't go sideways.
Hit play.
Congratulations, Kaylee and Scott. I'm sorry I couldn't be there for the big day, but I decided to make a quick video for you guys.
Is that in the background?
Yeah.
Where,
He'll tell you.
all the excitement did go down. As you can see, that spot's right there in the back. There's people up there right now, so I didn't want to go up there and make it awkward, so I decided to film it from a distance. But I want to say congratulations. You guys are two of the most outstanding people I know, and you truly do have what is an outstanding
He's so professional.
He is.
Become role model here. I'm so excited that you're gonna be a part of the family. I've never had a sister before, but I'm so happy that you're gonna be a part of the family, and you really have become such a good friend of mine over the past couple of years, and I'm looking forward to sharing part of the rest of our lives together. So, congratulations once again, and to Scott, you're my best friend, man. I couldn't be more excited for you. This is a big step in your life, and I know you got the right girl in your arm. You guys are going to be outstanding together, so congratulations. And again, I'm sorry I couldn't be there, but I'm so excited for you guys, and I'm absolutely very proud to both have you guys and part of my family. So congratulations, and have a great night celebrating right now.
Shut this